Denzi, why do Haitians eat soup joumou?
The reason why Haitians eat soup joumou, and if the question is on January 1st, I can answer your question.
What year was it?
1804. The reason
What
why
happened
we,
1804?
The reason why we eat soup joumou on January 1st is because the Haitian got their victory from the French in the war.
And when we got the victory, when
What-
we were
when was
fighting,
that?
And when we got our victory, we said, "Gonadie, alors ce que moi j'ai fait, on après maman, on après papa, ce que moi j'ai fait."
And when was that? What year was that we got our victory?
1804.
Wow. And what was the song again?
Gonadie, alors ce que moi j'ai fait, on après maman, on après papa, ce que moi j'ai fait.
Ah,